Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Lexus ES350 with its key. First, ensure your key fob is inside the vehicle. Simply press the brake pedal firmly and then push the engine start/stop button. The car's smart key system should recognize the fob signal, allowing the engine to ignite smoothly. This is the standard and easiest method for getting your Lexus ES350 running every day. It's designed for convenience and quick starts. If your key fob battery is low, don't worry. You can still start your Lexus ES350. Place the key fob directly against the engine start/stop button. The car has a special sensor that can detect the fob signal even with a weak battery. While holding the fob there, press the start button as usual. This method bypasses the normal range detection, ensuring you can get going even when the battery is nearly depleted. It's a handy trick to remember. Every Lexus key fob contains a hidden mechanical key. To access it, slide the small release button on the side of the fob and pull the key out. You can use this mechanical key to manually unlock the driver's door if the fob's battery is completely dead or the car's battery is low. Once inside, if your car has a push-button start, you'll still use the fob-to-button method described earlier to start the engine. This ensures access even in emergencies. If you're still having trouble starting your Lexus ES350, check the car's 12-volt battery, as a weak car battery can also prevent starting. It's also a good practice to replace your key fob battery every 1 to 2 years to avoid unexpected issues. For staying refreshed on the go, check out the Owala water bottle. You can find a link for that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Keeping your car and yourself in top shape is always a smart move.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.